Good morning. How you guys doing? Well, I'm on my way to get some more hardware cloth so I can complete those last two garden beds, as well as I think one 2x4. So stick around. And this is for Miss Homesteader Chick. We've discussed while we was on someone else's live, and we've been showing that women, when we go out and we are actually working in our garden, that we're not out here trying to look pretty while we're getting dirty. Therefore, we don't wear our Sunday's best or our clubhouse fresh best or whatever you want to call it, our 9 to 5 best. I work at school, so I'm not going to wear what I would work at school. We wear at school to in my garden to get dirty. Now, if I'm just checking out something, I can come step out here. I still won't wear my good shoes, but I'll come out here and I'll be okay. Have my little gloves on in my basket and get what I need. But for those that go out in the garden, especially women, if you're doing laboring, you don't go out, well, in my opinion, you don't go out in your best clothes because you're going to get dirty. Now, for us that actually do a lot of hands-on work, this is how we dress. Got my boots on. This is just one pair. I'm going to see if I can prop my phone up, and I'm going to step back, see if you can see. So, this is what you do. Some days it may be sweatpants, maybe tights. You never know. It just won't be a dress for me. And some days I wear my water shoes, not water shoes like you go swimming in, but the water resistant shoes. But if I'm gonna be out here and the grass is not cut, then yeah, I'm gonna wear some something I feel comfortable in. I don't mind getting dirty because you're gonna be out here sweating. So, Homesteader Chick, I got a chance to show you my little water boots, my rain boots. Those are my work boots. So, hope you enjoyed it. Look at those clouds, guys. Oh, Love Lady got to get busy. Those clouds are about to roll in. Oh, they looking pretty mean. I got to get over there. Let me get busy. Late start, this is what happens. I went to the hardware store and I was able to get the pieces that I need to finish these two beds. I just gotta with the newer wood, I just gotta measure, as you can see, for the right length and just screw them down. I only need 2 for that one, and this one here is the one that's gonna go around. As you can see, it's gonna go around just like that, and then I have those slats that I'm gonna nail to the bottom of that. Now, mind you, I'm not gonna have holders, slack holders like this on this one because they're 2x4s. So that's gonna be a process because I'm gonna have to flip that sucker on its side and go ahead on and do those, put the bottoms on there. But I'm not gonna show that process because I think most of you guys get the picture of how I'm building these two. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish that. Again, my goal for today will be, if possible, to get this here taken care of and maybe fill the rest of these beds up. I do have the hardware cloth for these 2 beds, so even if I don't get to mess with this area here, I will try to get these here totally completed with the hardware cloth on it. And I might go and do all 4 beds that's not don't have the weed barrier on it, go ahead and put those on. At least get the insides completed. And like I said again, depending on how everything goes, if I can get to this, I will. Honestly, I just woke up. I woke up, it was about 12:30, and I had to go make some errands and all that. So I came out and did a little harvest. And yeah, so if you've worked on projects, you know. So that's what I'm doing, and I'll let you see the finished product for these two beds right here when I get finished. How the other side of the fence look. We're still trying to level off the latch system. I went to get 2 T-posts so this side of the fence can have some support. So we will be trying to submerge them in this hard ground that I have, dirt. And yeah, just stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Some of you guys might be saying, Love Lady, you doing all these projects. When are we going to see you grow something or start something? Well, guys, I already have stuff that's growing for the summer. Right now, my focus is getting my garden area to the satisfaction of my liking, something that I will be comfortable with. For those that don't know, I'm not a bug-friendly person. I don't like bugs. Therefore, I'm trying to make it comfortable for me so I can come out here without killing myself, because I'm not going to kill the bugs. And yeah, so right now my focus is on doing the projects. From time to time I will show you videos of what I'm growing or the update of my garden, if I'm ripping something out, if I'm putting something in. Soon I will be putting out videos on starts. How do I start my things for this upcoming season. Yeah, so just stay tuned, and it will be coming. Whew, but I got to get the hard part out the way. You can't grow if you don't have anything to grow it in. Not just that, something very important to me was where I'm at. I don't have an outside water connection where I can just hook a water hose and just come out here and water my garden. So I've been struggling with that for the last year and a half since I've been gardening, and you don't realize it until it becomes overwhelming. So when I realized that it was hard for me to keep up with the water, and I had to kind of downsize what I was growing, what don't take a lot of water, what do take water, and how can I improvise getting water to my vegetables. I tried the hook a water hose up to your sink thing. That's just not, it's just not good. It's not good, trust me. It works quickly sometimes, but not on a daily thing, not on a regular thing. So I had to figure out how can I be sufficient in my garden when it comes to watering. So one of the projects I had to look into doing was building me a water catchment system, and I will show you that again for those that haven't seen. So if you're one of the ones that have not seen my setup, this is what I started building as of the summer. Well, actually prior to the summer. It's just taking me now to kind of get complete. And if you can see, it has the water hose hookup right there. I was talking about the 2 pieces that disconnected on me, where the slinky looking part and the metal part, that was disconnected. We had a couple of days of hard rain, and I'm like, oh, I want to see how much water I got. Well, come to find out, those 2 pieces was not hooked together, so it wasn't getting any drainage in it. And so now I got to go back to the drawing board slightly and either connect those 2 with either a screw, tape, whatever, not just regular tape, but some like duct tape, some kind of good tape, Or if you could tell, I have that sitting, it's standing on 1, 2, 3 pallets plus some a layer of bricks, pavers. So I'm either gonna have to drop it down a level so that particular slinky part can kind of relax down. I don't know. I heard that it need to have a little elevation, but at this point I'm gonna probably take it down a level and then also try to secure those two parts. If not, I might have to go back and get the other long metal piece that kind of curve, if you know what I'm talking about. So guys, that's why you have not seen me at the table starting seeds yet. I do have some seeds I'm getting ready to start, and when I get ready to start them, I will let you know. But again, my main focus right now, and I'm hoping you enjoy my videos, is just really getting my garden beds ready, my water catchment system ready. And even if, I mean, because we still have enough, we have enough days where I'm gonna need a lot of water. I just want to get that catchment thing, just I need it filled up. In the winter it's not so bad, you know, because you need less water. But right now my goal was to have it ready for the summer. Therefore it was not ready for the summer, so this is where I'm at. I'm only gonna finish what I have over here. If you don't remember the things that I am growing, just check out one of my old videos, well, prior videos, and you can kind of see what I am growing right now. And this is all I'm gonna grow for the summer, because again, that water catchment system is a must, or you have to have a good watering source here in Texas anyway, because it's hot, it get humid, and like I say, it get rough. So again, I hope that explains to a lot of you guys why you have not seen me planting anything, because it's right now it's more focused on building my elevated raised garden beds so I can be comfortable with coming into my garden space without worrying about if I'm gonna reach and put my hand in something. It helps me with the weeding. I don't have to weed so much, you know, just I don't have to do a lot of bending. I'm not old, I'm in my 40s, but at the end of the day, it's like it's gonna come to a time where bending is just gonna be excruciating. I don't want to get on my knees in the dirt if I don't have to. I only want to get dirty when it's like when I'm creating a project or something like that. I don't want to be on my knees in the dirt. I'm sorry. For those that like that, more power to you. Love lady don't like that. I like to garden with love, not always get dirty with love. But have a good day, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and also share my videos. You never know who may be needing something like this. Even if you're not gardening yourself, you may know someone that want to get into it, or you may be thinking about it and probably want to kind of find out ways to help you not fail so much, because trust me, you're gonna fail. Everybody fail at something when they start out gardening. Have a great day. Remember, Love Ladies Garden Projects and More is gardening with love. This is my gardening room, my she space room. This is where I have my grow light set up. I will give you a better tour later. Believe it or not, I have everything up in here. I have between my garden stuff, trying to find room for the kids stuff. I have their sleepover blankets. I have my new solar light stuff that's supposed to go on the rest of my fence and my spotlight. But that'll be another video. I will give you a good update. And as you can see, I'm getting ready to do some planting, some starts. So again, stay tuned and you get to see that process.